Reelcraft L-4545-123-3 Review. The premium workshop cord reel built for decades of clean use. You know that moment when you trip over your own extension cord mid-project and just stand there questioning everything? A buddy of mine nearly dropped a miter saw because the cord snagged his ankle. That frustration is real. Tangled cords waste time and create hazards nobody talks about enough. Sound familiar? Drop a comment if your shop floor has ever fought back. Here is what nobody warns you about. Every tangled cord silently drains your momentum. One contractor told me he lost nearly 30 minutes a day just managing cables dragged across his garage floor. 30 minutes gone. That is stress you feel in your shoulders by noon, and frustration you carry home after every shift. But a cleaner workflow is absolutely within reach. This is where the Reelcraft L-4545-123-3 steps in and quietly transforms how your shop operates. Don't just pick any retractable cord reel. Make sure it has a premium-duty spring-driven mechanism with 12 AWG cord, so you avoid underpowered tools and tangled cable disasters that everyone complains about. With 45 feet of heavy-duty 12 and 3 SJEOOW cord, this reel reaches every corner of a standard two-car garage without stretching or daisy chaining. The steel housing is robotically welded and individually powder-coated for serious corrosion resistance. One cabinet maker I spoke with nearly missed a client delivery because his old cord reel jammed during a critical glue-up. He mounted the Reelcraft overhead and told me he has not thought about cord management since. That says everything. The spring retraction keeps your floor clear, the ratchet lock holds at any length, and the flexible rubber-sheathed cable stays pliable even in cold shop conditions. Here is a bonus worth knowing. Experienced users quietly rely on that 12 AWG thickness to run heavier tools without voltage drop issues. Living with the Reelcraft L-4545-123-3 changes small daily frustrations into smooth habits you stop noticing because they just work. The heavy-duty collector ring delivers consistent conductivity so your tools run at full power across the entire 45-foot reach. The declutching arbor prevents spring damage if someone accidentally overwinds it, which means the mechanism lasts longer than you probably expect. One expert reviewer rated it 4.5 out of 5 and called it a buy once, cry once investment. A popular workshop channel praised its compact footprint, noting it projects only about 13 inches from the mounting surface. An industry analyst highlighted that SJEOOW-rated cable outperforms standard SJO cord in flexibility and oil resistance. One longtime customer shared that he watched the same Reelcraft model survive 12 years of daily professional use before he bought his own, worth every penny. Some people wonder whether the single outlet limits versatility, but most professionals simply plug in a quality power strip when needed and appreciate the streamlined simplicity the rest of the time. Quick question for you. What tool would you plug in first? See why so many professionals refuse to work without it now. The Reelcraft L-4545-123-3 is one of those rare workshop upgrades that earns its place permanently. Join the many professionals and serious hobbyists already experiencing cleaner floors, safer workflows, and smoother power access every single day. Built in the USA with UL and CSA certification, this reel is engineered for reliability that lasts decades. Though individual results may vary based on usage. It just works. Check the link in the description to see current availability and experience the difference for yourself today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.